Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Bangkit. I'm from class 9B. So today I will cook egg. So the first ingredient is the egg, and the second pan, and the third space like royco and lada. So first of all, I'll have to make fun to eggs. Okay. And then add the seasoning, lada, royco, okay, and so make okay. And pan. Okay. And let's go freestyle. Wait. No. Okay. If ready, put on plate. Okay. And add the ketchup. So thank you for your watch, and bye bye.